Yeah, nation people. Now gimmicks thing that the in the game and right about now, you know. Me no know, you know. When I hear me ask a question and
If
all.
you need me, I just found the radio up here, so just give me a shout out on this.
Pardon me?
If you need me for anything downstairs, just let me know on the radio. I got one here.
10-4.
10-4.
Yeah, so when I hear me come out and me ask sissy who send him for vybz kartel and him lawyer. You see what I say? What ask who send him for vybz kartel and him lawyer and Gaza Nation. Them all answer, but yet still you have some local man. You see what I say? I run in your comment section and I threaten you. I tell me but man we do me for CCP. Are the first me ever hear this Gaza Nation. Some youth offer people violence because a next man question a next man opinion. You see what I say? You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's crazy, you know what I mean? For hear, oh, them youth are talk. And the worst thing about it are the same ghetto youth them attack them way there. You see what I say? All because this guy now have nothing for offer to the youth them, now the benefit of the youth them in the country with a big platform where him have. All him can speak about, it's like gang violence, gunman, and badness business. Them shit they not help, my brother. Show me which part them shit they help. Over the years, tell me, what kind of improvement are going on in the country. And tell me what kind of improvement are going on off of him speaking about all of those things on him channel. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it. I speak about education. I speak about trade because from the people them take out all of the technical school them, you not see no youth a graduate from high school with no trade. You see what I say?
We come to 9 in St. Jasper.
It's you're what, visiting?
Yes, sir.
Give me a second, Gaza Nation, because you know I'm multitask, I put multitask, you know. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it. Because we're there on the job, you know what I mean? And no joke shit. And that them not for the youth them, you know what I mean? Jobs, choices, you know what I mean?
Hello?
Hi, good evening. Yeah, visitor.
Yes.
Okay. You guys are nation. You can't know it one way alone, only the physical way about it. You know what I mean? And that's how the world run, my brother. No, stay long underneath force, my brother. You don't have to know them shit there. You know what I mean? And it no matter if you're a ghetto youth or not. You see what I say? You still have to live amongst people. So you have to know how you coordinate yourself. You see what I say? Yo, which part in a trade wrong? Because I say, you know what I mean? Back when we were youth and them things, they used to have some trade man where at them run off the whole community. Them never broke yet. The man them will fix TV, fix fridge, they look a plumber them or even the man them will do the mason work. Them never broke yet and them walk any hours a night in any community because as a man see them know that an electrician or a TV man and everybody show them man their respect, you know what I mean? And you have man where in a trade world I make crazy money more than people who go to college for them shit there, you know what I mean? Because enough you go to college and have all them subjects and it take them hard to get a work all because people want to talk about experience, them non-experience. Then if them go to college and pass out with the right equipment them, how can them can't get a work because experience? And where them are going to get experience from if them don't get a job? You see what I say? So you spend all these money to go college and them shit there. And then in at the end of the day when you forget a job, it backfire upon the youth. Now the next thing that in Gaza nation, and not everyone we cut out for college, and not everyone we cut out for track and field and sports and them shit there, or even entertainer. You know what I mean? But trade can oh you doing good? Alright. Good. But trade can't rank for no youth at all. Tell me which youth them wanna say I graduate from high school and I jump in a big trade world. Eh? So if me I talk about infrastructure, and me I talk about trade, and me I talk about factories, like how them used to have free zone back in the days. You know what I mean? And the ladies them can go there go hustle them money that mean them now have to dip on the roadside and sell front and all them stuff there. You see what I say? Which part of that wrong phone get to you till you know all a come on one page about you know threaten people for fuckery. You know what I mean? For talk about gasoline, 87 and all of them shit. Them shit they are fuck my virgin, that not going nowhere. Tell me which part that can put in my virgin. Dying plus dying ain't a living, my brother. You know what I mean? And the Bible say we are not nothing. You know what I mean? So I don't know what I say. Like wanna get on the knowledge from because it's like I just one way alone know it, you know, because they make you feel like, you know, from ghetto youth, you know, know work nothing, you know, my virgin. Yo, we're not different from the people them we're in a society, you know, my virgin. We don't have the same skin tone and every shit, my virgin. You know what I mean? Classism is all about money, you know, people. Good. Alright. No joke shit no in a classism is all about money, youth. And money you have to have, because if you don't have money, them can't chat to you. You don't live same place which part them live because you can't afford it. Classism is all about money, my brother. So you have to get your money game up. Or you have to get it up. You know what I mean? I'm going to say trades for the youth them because here, if you check the last 10 years and check, the best thing where you see I come out of Jamaica, I be a ladies, my friend. Be a ladies, I mean by nurse, and as them pass out and done out of them nursing, them take with themselves and go overseas and work. But whether they for the youth them? You know what I mean? Seriously, like whether they for the youth them? We don't see no other for the youth, them are just there, the ladies them, so another youth them we see lay down every day in the street. You know what I mean? So if you is busy in a trade business and them shit, they where them would find time for out in the street or red eye other people things that try to take it because them now have none for themselves. And me I say the man having big channel and this is all the way him talk about. Be a negative shit we can't help the country. And me I say use your big channel and do all of them shit they feed the ghetto youth them. And uno ghetto youth and go like uno stupid. Let me tell you this, man, a gun is a dead service ticket, man. You hear that? A gun is a dead service ticket. It's a bad man tell me that down a jungle bottom. I will never forget that. Bad man tell me that down a jungle bottom. Say a gun, this is a dead service ticket. You know what I mean? And if him can say that out of his mouth where people scare on them shit, they me hear him say that, then all no want me for pray. I tell you about the elders them, you know. I tell you what them do to the youth them. I feel the youth them, you know. Because CCP, all them talk about it's negative thing, you know. Nothing, no positive thing in it, you know. Youth all graduate from high school, you know, and them still at grade 6 reading level, you know, my brethren. And him still at grade 6, you know, understanding. Him still not understand certain shit, you know. Him all can read and write and him still not understand where him read. So if we have a nation, a young people who grow up and understand what them read or can't read and write, where you think the country are going? Now downhill the country are going. Now that's why you hear the US president can tell you, say, if you continue like this, it's going to turn out like 80. You know what I mean? Good. No disrespect to the Asian, but that's what the US president said. You know what I mean? So no joke shit not there in it. Because if you can't read and write and you understand certain shit where you read, how you gonna know if you make positive decision? How you gonna know who not supposed to vote for, who are gonna help you or whatever? How you gonna know say all of this shit where this man all attack or some hypocrisy where cannot help you know? Good. You understand what I'm saying? Good. You don't go know it one way in a youth. I'm going to the physical part of it, you know. The world not run like that, you know, my brother. I told you there one place, it up, you know. You know what I mean? I want to go if you see how other people live, you know. Most of them go on with and them strong, they will not take on and them shit, you know. That I'm going to push you back, you know, my brother. I better go back to the roots, you know. Yeah, because the older folks never either feel. Most of them self-independent, you know, my brother. We plant up them look at crap and all them things there and sell them things, you know. And have them cow and all them shit there and them things there, you know. And have them animal them where them look after and that them live after all them feel, you know, man. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, you know. A real way me I represent, you know. So when time me I said to CCP, say, who send you for Vybz Kartel and him lawyer? Who send you for the ghetto youths them? Because we not see you have nothing in place and I show how them can advance themselves as a youth, you know what I mean, in a society. If you don't make it and you people will make it, how you not come tell the ghetto youth them what them to do and how them to move and what channel them supposed to take, you know what I mean, that them can help themselves. And them not for mix up in a certain shit. You know what I mean? May I say it again. Dying ain't a living. You hear that? And when I represent a Gaza way, I represent a lollipop way. You see what I say? So when CCP try to bring down a man like Vybz Kartel who help how much youth in the community where you don't even hear it speak about much more in the dancehall world, how much youth can bring to the forefront where can help themselves and them family up to today and still help other people. You see what I say? Where CCP do on the internet, when them ever shown up on the internet, he might help nobody. You know what I mean? When? And him have the big platform, him not speak about it, nor him not do it verbally. But when time man I tell you, say all the way my show, a crap with my show. If you show a time for something positive now, you know what I mean? A back way where I go. I listen to some long time story. Nobody no want to hear that a full time now for people move on, my brother. You know what I mean? And move on in a betterment, you know what I mean? And cut out the soap opera lifestyle, you see what I say? And get back to the real shit them. You know what I mean? Youth supposed to learn trade in a high school, and when them graduate from high school, them can go straight in a job in a Tankwell, one of them place there. You see what I say? Because him already learned the skill already, and not everyone of we are going to go through college, my brother. And not everyone of we are going to turn athlete. And not everyone of we are going to be entertainer. You know what I mean? Warm to the factories them for the ladies. You know what I mean? No, but be a lollipop thing when I want to hear and be a gas up thing. And that's why I not represent no other way but Gaza way. Because you have to stand for something, you know. You know what I mean? More than ride with everything, you know. It's not a yes man boat here now, we're two-born junglists and junglists are grow. You see what I say? I'm not tell you about no hurry come up junglists. You see what I say? And no joke shit. Because my days of being a jungle, it's like a university, college. I learn about every and anything. Or the general, the 10-star one. I represent. And I say CCP, who send you for the ghetto youth them on Vybz Kartel and them lawyer? Who send you, boy? Who pay you? Eh? Classism people? 10-star, the general, I represent. What? Gaza way, you know? There ain't no other way. 10-star, general.